Happy Tuesday, Miss Argo's fabulous fourth graders. I have two little friends that wanted to say hi, that they missed you, and it's Miss Rotola's turn to give you some pointers on your math for this Tuesday. So I'm going to have them go away and bring in the first problem. I'm not going to talk too much about this, but I am going to read the first part and we're going to talk about 7 cents. Each picture below represents a different amount of money. In which amount of money does the digit 7 represent 7 cents? Okay, so you know you're looking for where the digit 7 is. You should probably understand that each one of these is going to have a 7 somewhere. We want to know where it's in the 7 cents. So what you need to do is ask yourself, how many cents are in a dollar? Hopefully you remember that there's 100 cents. We only have 7 of them. You have to decide, is this 7 cents or is this 7 cents? And that's all I'm really going to say about this one. You count your change, you count your bills, and make sure you find where the digit 7 represents 7 cents. All right, number 6. This is a model going from Aaron's house to 2 locations, the school and the bank. They want to know how much farther from Aaron's house is the bank than the school. So right now I know this farther means I'm comparing. One's going to be farther, one's going to be closer. When you compare, you're going to subtract. So all we have to know is how far is it to the bank compared to how far it is to the school. Now, I'm going to look and know that they're counting by 1 mile, but there are divisions within that 1 mile. So I'm going to count how many there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 between each one. That means tenths. We're talking about tenths. And you can see from your answers that each one of them has tenths, that first decimal place after the decimal. So I'm going to go ahead and let you finish that one. It's fairly easy. Just make sure you know where the school is. Make sure you know where the bank is. Compare them by subtracting. All right, that's number 6. Number 7, you've had before. It's just a different way to talk about a 2-step problem. It said a wedding planner has 36 boxes of candies for a reception. Each box contained 18 candles. She put 9 candles on each table at the reception and had no candles remaining. How many tables were at the reception? Okay, so first of all, we have to know how many candles she has in total before we do anything with those candles. So to me, there's 36 boxes. Each box contained 18 candles. 36 times 18 will give you how many candles you have. Now, once she knows all the candles she has, she's going to take and put 9 candles on each table. And she's going to have no candles remaining. Does that not sound like remainder? She has no remainder. What operation do you use when you get a remainder? Division. Division. So your answer is going to be your quotient, and that's going to tell you how many tables there are. So once again, first find out how many candles she has in total, and then put them on 9 tables. And they're telling you there is no remainder. So if you do get a remainder, you need to look again. Once again, I know Miss Argo wants to see that beautiful tic-tac-toe for your divisor 9. Okay, number 8, and this is the last one for today. They're going to ask you to set up an equation. They're not asking you for the answer. They're setting up an equation with this unknown x. Now, when you have an unknown that's an x, you're actually doing some algebra. But don't worry about it. It's really, really easy. And it says a team of mountain climbers will climb Denali, the highest mountain peak in the United States. The height of Denali is 20,310 feet. The team will climb 9,729 feet the first day and 7,992 feet the second day. Which number sentence can be used to find x, the number of feet the team will climb on the third day? So you know the total. You know the first day. You know the second day. What you're looking for is that third day, and that is x. They just named it x. If you don't like the x, just put third day in place of that x. So, in order to find the third day, are you going to add day 1 and day 2? Are you going to subtract day 1 and day 2 from your total that they climbed, or the height that it's going to be? Do you take away just the first day from the total to get day 3? Or do you add the first day they climbed with the total and then subtract the second day? Think about it. You know the total. It's not going to get any bigger. You know what they climbed the first day. You know what they climbed the second day. You know what Miss Rotolo loves to use, and that would be that strip diagram to help you. Here's my total. Here's my day 1. Here's my day 2. And here's my question mark for day 3. If you want to use this, go ahead and put your total in here, the total that they're going to climb. Put what they climbed first, what they climbed second. Then what do you do to find out day 3? And that will be up to you. So once again, my little friends just had to come and say bye. They miss you. Hopefully everybody in your house is happy and safe. You're not getting into any fights with your brothers or sisters or anybody else. And I will be back on Thursday to help you out with those problems. So take care. Miss you. See you Thursday.